We are going to learn how to add calendar in a text box. So select the text box in which you want to add the calendar and click on source and type here type equal to date. This will insert a calendar in the text box. Now let's do some settings so that the user will select the date format in which I want. So right click and click on view codes and type here if is postback within this postback I have to write a code. I will paste the code. This tb_date is the ID of this text box, and its value will be taken from system.datetime.now.toString. Here this date format is not the format of any country. I am using this format so that it will display a date in the text box, and it will select any format of any country. So this code is for displaying any date format of the current date in the text box. Now let's run the project and see whether it works or not. So it works. So click on the calendar. It will show a calendar. If you want to change this date format, then you have to go to the control panel. So click on the control panel and select control panel and click on clock and region and click on date and time, then click on change date and time and click on change calendar setting and click on additional setting and click on date. Now let's change this date format to DDYY and click on OK, then click on OK, then OK. Now let's rerun the project and see whether it works or not. So it works.